forgotten, but not gone.
A legend beneath the dust. Time has left its mark.
Every piece tells a story.
Neglected but waiting, worn but not lost.
The heart, silent.
Buried it in time.
Nature takes over. But legends never die. The first breath of life.
Gears washing away.
Covered, then cleansed. Hidden shine returns.
Transformation begins. Flow and renewal.
Identity restored.
The surface awakens.
Piece by piece. Ooh. Letting go of the old.
Every turn matters.
Time undone.
Layers of neglect. Clearing the past.
The hidden complexity. Stripped to truth.
Order in chaos.
A fresh beginning.
The healing begins. Fire meets steel.
Detail defines perfection. Restoration in motion. Strength returns. Decay removed. Hidden work matters. Precision care.
From dull to brilliant.
The heart returns.
Precision begins here.
Layer by layer.
Restoring brilliance.
Sealed for perfection. Strength rebuilt.
Every click matters.
Fueling new life.
Protected for the future.
Back where it belongs.
Every connection counts.
Fresh energy.
Clean from beneath.
Shielded once more.
Control regained.
Detail matters.
Precision secured.
A new heart beats. Preparing perfection. Smoothing every line.
Clearing the surface.
Correcting the past.
Flawless foundation.
Perfect symmetry. Perfect symmetry.
Measured to perfection.
Ready for rebirth.
The first layer.
A blank canvas.
Refined again. Color returns.
The legend awakens.
Depth and richness. So build that luxury.
Precision defines perfection.
Pure perfection.
Sealed in brilliance.
Time completes the work.
Bringing it back together.
Every line perfected.
Details define beauty.
Clarity restored. A clear new view.
Ready to move again. Control renewed. Everything connects.
Shine perfected. The soul rebuilt.
Shine perfected.
Flawless beauty.
Identity restored.
Every detail matters.
Crystal clear.
The final touch. Reborn. A masterpiece. A masterpiece. Timeless design.
Every curve alive.
Fresh and refined. The heart beats again.
Power awakened.
Back to life.
A legend restored. From forgotten to forever.
Balance restored.